So it's raining now. I say better rain than snow. I'll take that. That's one thing. That's why sometimes I don't say hey, because sometimes the older people are so grumpy. You say hey and they don't even respond. Muji, it means like black person. So my students always ask me and people always ask me if the word Mujin is a bad word, but I'm like, no, it's just like the same if you say white person, black person, yellow person. They think it's racist. They find out that you're Jamaican. If they know that you're Jamaican, geez, they're like, oh my God, Bob Marley, this, that, Rastafari, and then they ask you about weed. They have to ask you about weed. Like weed is like the top thing that they ask you about, yeah? I remember this one situation when I lived in a different city. I lived in a different city and I was walking by and everyone would be driving and they'll be taking pictures while driving, making videos of me. When you move to bigger cities, it's not really uncommon to see people of different races, but so I'm getting some water. Ooh. Cześć. Duwa nie gazowana woda, proszę.
Gazowaną?
Nie gazowana. Yep. Yes, so I got my waters. Now I'm heading back home. I have some classes, so I haven't had a bad experience in Poland in terms of something like racism, because I think the people in Poland, they're more curious than racist. Like if they see me walking, I think it's because of my hair as well, so they'll stare. But Polish people are really nice. If you come to Poland, like people are really shy to speak English because they're afraid that they'll make a mistake or something. But most of the young people are nervous or shy, especially older people. Don't expect them to speak English because back in the day they learned German or Russian. So a lot of Polish people think the word black is racist. So like they're afraid to say the word black. So I'm heading to work right now. So it's about 3:40 right now, and as you can see, it's getting dark. Lights out over there. You can see it's dark. I'm headed this way today. Bought these big ass shoes for the snow. And look, it's raining. Big ass. So here, 3 minutes to the bus. You see it on the billboard. No. Co mówiłaś wcześniej?
Pan mi narysuje, proszę. I mnie razem z nią. Proszę. Prosimy. Teacher, look. I'm your fan, please autograph. Co tutaj się odwala?
Nagrywam.
Autograf. Co tu się odwala?
Autograf.
Tak? To jest Kaj. Daj kartkę. Ale kartka. Daj też kartkę. Oj, daj też kartkę.
Kaya, what do you want?
Everything.
Everything?
Everything. I'm not sure. And I want a ball to football. And you know the na telefon from Adidas.
Adidas?
Adidas.
Okay, Natalia, what do you want?
For me, Real Madrid t-shirt and Mbappe.
What do you want, Ada?
Everything.
Everything? For Christmas?
Yes. Robux in Robux. Sonje. In
In the game. Oh. What do you want for Christmas?
For Christmas, Real Madrid t-shirt, Ronaldo.
Ronaldo t-shirt. Okay.
Yes.
Laura.
Bye. Odchodź.
Nie możesz?
Pan z nami zostaje. I niech pan mnie nie nagrywa.
So, they gave me the code, so whenever I want to come over. Okay, so this is my Polish family. This is Adrian Just and Marcinski Just. So he used to go to the University of Hartford as well, but You know he goes.
No,
He's a baller. He plays in the same club I used to play for. FIFA. Destruction. Whenever I'm around, you know, destruction. He knows in FIFA. As usual, I always beat his ass. And when he loses, he cries, he smashes the control in the ground. He wants to break the TV, all that. Occasionally.
Ostatni wynik?
Okej, było źle dzień.
Tak.
Occasionally.
Dzisiaj też będzie zły dzień.
Nie.
Ale
Myślę, że nie.
nagrywamy wyniki każdego meczu.
Okej,
Każdym
możemy.
meczu. Okay.
I zrobię zdjęcia.
Okay.
Nie? Udowodnić, że cały czas on przegrał. Worst team. Inter Milan. I give these guys one instruction. One instruction. Worst team.
Look at the shots.
Bro.
3 to 10.
Okay, 10 is not that bad, but my team, bro. My team.
Pokaż
1-0.
statystyki. Pokażemy statystyki, jakie masz pasa.
Statystyki nie tak ważne.
Gram tym United.
Destruction.
Weź, gram tym United, co nie potrafią grać.
Destruction, that's 1-0
Ale
na
masz
dzisiaj.
takiego farta.
Razie.
Grałem lepiej o wiele.
Ale nie miałeś szansa.
Miałem.
Może jeden.
Miałem
Jedna
dużo
szansa.
szans, ale nie umiałem strzelać.
I'm going to my boss to visit her before I leave. So she invited me over, so I'm going to her house to eat all of her food, yeah? So I'm going back home from my boss's place. I was invited. They made meals, dinner, and they even got me a gift. So they got me a present. I'll open it when I reach home, so meals for me, her and the husband. She got me a present. Let's see. Oh, look. One of the schools that I work with, a t-shirt. In the back, let's see. Językowa, Philadelphia, Radom. So Radom, and in the back, Radom, Poland. So this is the city I live and the country. So I went to visit my Polish family. And because I have a flight tomorrow, and I told them I don't want to use my card because my bank charges me a hell of money if I use my card outside of the country. So they gave me 100 USD to use in the airport to buy something to eat. I'm telling you, I have the best Polish family in the world. So more presents. I have so many presents right now. I don't even have space to put them. Chocolate everywhere. It's crazy. Got more today at work. It's crazy.